Symptoms of a bad AC pressure switch. The AC pressure switch is a part of the air conditioning system that monitors the pressure on the high and low sides of the system. It is a safety switch that can alert the compressor if the pressure is too high or too low. It is located behind the air conditioning system and comes with two pressure switches, high side and low side. But how do you tell if this component is bad? Let's find out. 1. AC blowing warm air. When you turn on the air conditioner, you expect cool air to come out. Warm air can be all you get if the AC pressure switch breaks, though. Low refrigerant levels, though, are also a contributing factor to this issue and should be periodically monitored. 2. Strange noises from the air conditioning system. You'll notice some strange vibrations if the compressor is switching on and off. The clicking sound will be similar to that made when the compressor regularly turns on, but there won't be any airflow. 3. Air conditioning stops working. What could be worse than sporadic air conditioning? What happens if it never works again? The AC pressure switch may be broken if your air conditioner doesn't turn on. The air conditioning system is made up of numerous parts, so your issue could be a completely different thing. 4. When the compressor fluctuates. A car's air conditioning system operates automatically and shuts off when it reaches a particular pressure. But if an AC pressure switch is broken, you can notice that it fluctuates or turns on and off frequently. When the automobile is idle, you may quickly detect this by looking at the RPM and seeing how frequently it changes. It is one of the typical bad AC pressure switch signs that you may initially identify. And there you have it, the telltale symptoms of a bad AC pressure switch. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel so that you can stay up to date on all of our new content. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching and drive safe.